welcome back to my channel. This is Makeup by Carla Misa on YouTube, and I'm here with
Shana P.
Shana P. Shana naman, tama?
Shana hi, Shana naman.
And Megaan Lim.
Wala na, nag-vlog na.
Nag-vlog na. We're now here at Posh Nails here at Abriza, and we have there Ate Sass and Cha. And it's actually Ate Sass' birthday today, so we're having a birthday celebration here at Posh Nails. Posh Nails! And we're currently having the best time being pampered by the staff. Ayan. So, yeah. I'll just relax and I'll see you guys later. Bye! And I'm finally done with my nails. Ooh, gold nails. So happy. And I'm also done with my toenails. Chubby. And they're done too. Say hi. That's Ate Sass and Cha. And we have here the Shana P.
Shana P. Paulit-ulit.
I'm an idol. I'm a fan, Miss Shana P. She's still having her pampering session, and she chose taupe nails. Taupe. So nice. Yeah. So, medyo busy din si Madam dito.
Nagkakang false lashes.
Yeah. Did you take time to appreciate the false eyelashes?
Effort kaayo, Carl.
She's watching 2 videos. Sino watch mo ngayon? Gigi Gorgeous. Oh, yeah. Bongga. So yeah, we're just waiting for everyone to be done. And yeah, after this we're heading to have dinner. And yeah, can't wait to eat. And yeah, I really had fun during today's pampering. So thank you so much, Ate Sass. Thank you, Ate Sass.
Thank you. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. Although I don't know. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida.
I'm no K-pop, so I don't really know. But yeah, I don't have anything to say, guys. I'm sorry. I haven't been vlogging. I have been vlogging quite a lot, but I haven't been editing. So I'm sorry, but I'll get back to you guys. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye. So Shana's done. And yeah, I forgot to say, as you can tell, my nose is really red because my nose is so stuffy all throughout the session. Like, I've been reaching to my handkerchief the entire time, but I hope to get well soon. So we're just waiting for the madam right there. So I'll see you guys later, forever. Balik-balik. Happy birthday!
Oh.
Na-i-vlog ko talaga ang ano.
Parang hindi pa naman enough yung kahapon.
Haha! It's not.
Okay,
Open.
Ay, ayun lang, open ako. Okay, relax ako. Oh, no.
I know you love those colors. I-wear mo yan ha, grabe yan ka-bright.
Thank you. Dupe to ng candy yum. For sure.
Oh, for sure.
Okay, relax lang. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Di ba nakita ko
Ito,
hair
from Shana.
velcro?
Oh, yan
Hair
talaga.
velcro.
DIY, bongga.
Yeah.
Teen kan, bongga. Pero mag-sorry.
Thank you, Shana P.
Wow!
And thank you.
Bagay kay madam. Perfect.
Pang madam talaga. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.
What can you say?
Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. Ito bagay din kay Pop. Oh, grabe yung mga bolang kristal.
Classic mo na classic. I'm gonna use it.
Wow.
Hilig siya plain top. Napansin ako.
OMG, amazing.
Kasi this would mangupumangitaw size. So, ako ka mag-accessory.
Naka-retouch na ako and we're just waiting for madam.
Yeah.
So, yun, pampering mode pa siya. And, yeah. Mas offer na. Yan. Hello, super nice. But remember ko nag-watch kayo ng Two Broke Girls? Di ba? Yan, ang kanyang necklace ni yung Blondie. For forever niya yung necklace ever since the beginning. Kasi di ba poor na siya. Anyway, ako lang nakarelate. Bagay masyado ang necklace. Oh my god. Sure, yan, bagay na bagay. Look here, say hi. Oh, super nice ang lipstick and the pearls. Wow. Shana P. So we're now here at Spirales with Jo, Cha, Shanna, and the birthday girl. And we're going to order. So we have here our appetizers. We actually forgot the name. Antipa something.
Queso puti.
Yeah.
Oliva.
Queso puti. Apple kiwi for everyone. We have here some sweet chef. We have here chicken parmigiano. Tapos there is roast pork belly. Vlog. So we're now heading out of Abriza. Saan ba tayo, girls? Tugs. Somewhere. So I'll see if I can still vlog later, but yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye! Busy. Busy ang mga vloggers natin. Wow. Nagyaw-yaw. So we're now here at the peak with these girls and we're heading somewhere up there. Actually, may music naman pala, so I think it's not mingaw. So yeah, we're still here. Chika mo.
Ikaw rin po ang nag-work sa